Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove CapCut video ending permanently. So here I've already on CapCut, and if you start a new project on CapCut, say I want to add a new project. Oops. Okay, so if you can see at the end of this video, there will be an ending credit like this. Video ending on CapCut, and if you can just delete it actually, but if you want to remove it permanently, here is what you need to do. So first you need to go to settings at the top right corner, and then here you can see there's an add default ending, and if you want to remove it permanently, you can just enable this or turn it off until it turns to gray, and here discard ending, and you can just click on discard so until it turns to gray, and when you start a new project there won't be any video ending like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.